Everybody, I'm sick, so I have to stay home. But I'm sick, so I have to stay home. My nose is clogged. Now what? No, you're supposed to keep the door open and cracked. What? Nobody come in here. That's what our new cat Finn does. Come on, Sammy. Did you hear that little dog hit me out? Like, wait for it. Gotta wait for it. Gotta wait for it. He's gonna stick his little paw in there. Encouragement. Okay, if he ever does it, I'll just tell you what happens. He opens the door with his paws, and he shuts it with his paws. So... Come on, Finn! You're smart, Kitten! It's my cat! You were doing it a minute ago, and you're just not going to do it because he's on stage fright or something? Look. Paw goes under. Oh, he didn't do it. Paw goes out. Oh, and see, he grabs a hold of the door and, like, pulls it. And then, like, he also pushes his face up against it to close it. And he just show you what he looks like. Here's a bit. You just closed the door with his body. Oh, he's sweet, isn't he? He's a sweet cat. He's a boy. No duh, it's a he. It's a boy. Definitely. Alright, I gotta close the door so we can go to the bathroom or whatever. Yeah, Lilo got that cat first because we lost Cookie. We think that the people at the vet were lying that she was neutered just because it was close to closing time and they all wanted to go home or whatever. Oh, okay. Well, that didn't do anything because I accidentally pressed something. Alright. Yeah, as you can see and hear, my nose is pretty... Just fixed. My nose is pretty clogged up. It's so croaky, it's so big. I'm just gonna make myself some breakfast. I already had a shower. Trying to get my nose unclogged and jump. Zinx's birthday is on Saturday. We're going camping with him. And without him knowing, I made him a cake. Well, I got him supplies for a cake. I haven't made the cake yet because it's on Saturday. Today is Tuesday. Stay home because I'm sick, so I definitely wouldn't be able to make it today, even if his birthday was like Wednesday or whatever. See, he's like reaching under and grabbing the door. It's so cool. It's just so cool. Alright, let's see if he'll do it again. Come on, Finn! Come on, Finn, do it again! Do it again and close the video! Come on, Finn! Come on! Oh yeah, try to grab it. Oh, I got you by the butt. No, oh God. I'll cut you. Finn wars have been won by Finn. You're still naked. Go get your clothes on.
Underwear.
Oh, he's wearing underwear. Oh, man, I cut you. Got man with one hand. Alright.
Logan,
So,
I'm gonna get changed.
alright,
Yeah.
Alright, so remember, you're taking suggestions for Bad Movie Monday. I don't know if Tina says that Dylan or Nick will call her. It's not my best friend, Nick. It's Zach Nine's stepbrother. I forget his name. His Minecraft name is Lego Fam 28, but whatever. I'll call him Dylan from now on until he tells me otherwise. So anyways, I don't think Dylan said that we'll be able to do a Bad Movie one day until somebody suggests something. And I really want you guys, I really want to be able to do Bad Movie Monday. So remember to leave a comment down below in the comment section. Wait, I don't know where else would you leave a comment. And on Tumblr. Okay, so yeah, leave a comment down below about which movie you want us to watch. It doesn't have to be a bad movie, it just has to be a funny movie. Okay? Like, we were gonna watch Baseball if nobody gave us a suggestion by Saturday. Well, it doesn't really have to be on Monday either that we record. I guess it could just really be any day, but we'll post it on Monday. Okay. So, keep giving us suggestions. And, yeah. Remember to like this video if you like him and the cute things he does. And that his little videos are like, okay. And remember to subscribe. Once I get, I think 100 subscribers, I'll do this. I'll show you guys some animations I've done. I'll upload one of those. I'll try to add sounds into there, you know, just to get it going and jump. I'll try to add sounds. Maybe. I don't know. I'll definitely, like, I'm making a website besides just the official website. It's all webs and it's not going very good because so far I've only made it on my phone. And as you know, the Android doesn't do that. But whatever. I'll post some pictures of the comics I draw there in that blue notebook. I'm drawing some of like me and it's like me and the freaking! He's flying! Whoa! He's a cute cat. Hugs. Say goodbye. Oh, he just ran off. He likes mama. Okay. So anyways, remember to like and subscribe down below. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. It's just clicking and clicking. It's just clicking and clicky button. Seriously, it's not like you have to defeat like Zero or whatever for Mega Man. Because that would be kind of complex. I mean, you know, Zero is like the Shadow the Hedgehog of Mega Man. I don't know why they call it blue if it's red. Or whatever. Anyways, just remember to like and subscribe. Leave some suggestions for our Bad Movie Monday. Bad Movie Monday. Bad Movie Monday, not Bad Movie Monday. I know you probably can't hear me because my nose is clogged, so I'll post the description below. If you're watching this on your phone, that's okay, because I watch all the YouTube videos on my phone. And like, since I watch the Yogscast Tekken and stuff, or like, they aren't using Tekken, they're using CTV. And that's my doggy Daisy over there, if you saw her. Because they watch the Yogscast, Joppa Factory series, and you know, I have to watch all like with earbuds and stuff, because if my mom really dropped the F-bomb, then teacher never let me watch the series, but alright, goodbye.